quiet of the night we find our way, hands clasped tight as we softly pray. Hopes and dreams and whispers we say guide us through another day. Stars above watch over our plea, hearts open wide for the world to see. Faith and love and unity bind us in serenity. Whispered prayers in the night, give us strength, give us light. Through the darkness hold us tight, in whispered prayers we find the fight. With each breath we rise again, in our hearts our humble amen. Love and peace our daily end, till we see the rainbow's end. When shadows fall and we're alone, we look within to heal and hope. In every breath we've ever known, seeds of hope are always sown. Stars above watch over our plea, hearts open wide for the world to see. Faith and love and unity bind us in serenity. Whisper prayers in the night, give us strength, give us light, give us light. Through the darkness hold us tight, in whispered prayers we find the fight. Whispered prayers in the night, give us strength, give us light. Through the darkness hold us tight, in whispered prayers we find the fight. With each breath we rise again, in our hearts a humble amen. Love and peace our daily end, until we see the rainbow's end. Whispered prayers in the night, give us strength, give us light. Through the darkness hold us tight, in whispered prayers we find the fight. With each breath we rise again, in our